enjoy this video.
Welcome to the Art Project. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a box that you can use for artist trading cards. Like I have here, I've got some artist trading cards that I'm putting in this box. First of all, you're going to need a few things. I'm using this box, which is an old magic card. This is a deck of cards. It's a little smaller than this one. I'm going to use that for demonstration. A ballpoint pen, a bottle of glue, knife to cut with, or some scissors, stiff like poster board or tag board, and something to be the decorative cover of your box. In this case, I've chosen a map. For this one, it was a comic book a comic book page right out of a comic book that I used. Today we're going to use this map. Something else you're going to need is a paintbrush. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue all over the back of this piece of poster board. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to brush the glue all around. We want the glue on every part of the surface, including the outside edges. And I'm just going to brush this glue, make sure it's all over the entire thing. Now, I have too much glue on the back. I don't need that much glue. If I use that much glue, it's going to take forever for it to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up, and I'm going to glue it to this piece of newsprint first. Not completely, but I'm going to pick it up before it has a chance to dry. And by doing so, I've made a nice layer of glue on this piece of paper that's even and not too much. I'm then going to close my newsprint to put this down right there, glue side up. And then I'm going to take my map and I'm going to put it on my tag board and spread it so that there are no bubbles on the inside. Spread from the middle out. So now I have laminated this piece of map to this piece of tag board, and there will be no peeling it up. Now right now it's really damp, so you probably don't want to use it until it has dried adequately. So set that aside, and I'm going to use this to get my trading card, my trading card box out of this. This is the map paper. I'm going to lay it flat down. It has had a little bit of time to dry. It should probably dry a little more. I'm kind of rushing this. But I'm going to take a ballpoint pen. You can do this with pencil if you want to at first, but there's a part where the ballpoint pen comes in real handy. I'm going to make sure that I want to be on the edge because I don't want to waste this paper. In fact, I could do it this way. It's probably even better. I'm going to do it this way. Make sure that this is on the edge right here, and that this is on the edge down here, and double check that, and then I'm going to trace it. I'm going to fold this back and do the crease. Fold this back and do, not crease, the slit. Fold this one back and do the slit. And I think I've got it all the way around. Now I'm going to make a little note. There was one place where I needed to note. Right here maybe. And slide this over a little bit and put a note right there. And a note right there. And the rest of it I think I can figure out with this ruler. Alright, so now using my ballpoint pen, I'm actually going to press down kind of hard and put a little dent right across here. This is where the fold is going to go. There's also a fold right here. And there's a fold right here. And a fold right here. Fold right there. Right there. And last right here. Like I said, I'm pressing down a little bit hard, and that'll help it to bend where I want it to bend. All right, so now what I'm going to do, that I've cut everything out, and now have a piece of rigid poster board with a map on the back of it. I'm going to fold everything, and that folding is going to be easy because I drew a line with a ballpoint pen and pushed down relatively hard so that it would just fold right there on that spot pretty easily. And I can actually put it together and see if it's going to work before I glue anything. And it looks like it is going to work. See, I'm going to take some glue. Now, too much glue will take forever for it to dry, and so I don't want that, but I'm going to take my finger and spread this evenly across the surface, all the way off this edge, which is the fold, and all the way off that edge, which is the edge of the paper. And then, just like I did before, I'm going to get some of this excess glue off by blotting it on the newsprint. And then I'm going to take my box, fold it around, and glue this part to this part. A lot of people say they don't like Elmer's glue, but in my opinion, it's stronger than most any other glue. You just have to be patient with it while it dries. And if you have too much, it does take forever for it to dry. But if you have the right amount on there and you blot it like I just showed you, then it will dry pretty fast. I'm gonna fold this up, fold that up, fold this up, fold this up, and I now have a trading card box. I could also print some stuff out, maybe the words Artist Trading Card, and glue on there. There you go. Ready for artist trading cards. Thanks for watching. I like making these artist trading card boxes so much. I've actually made 4 of them so far.
Give Daddy a thumb up to enjoy this video.